Hello, fellow gardeners. Have you ever dreamed of harvesting fresh, crisp carrots and earthy beets, even if you only have a small patio or balcony? Well, get ready to make that dream a reality. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of growing root vegetables in containers. It's easier than you think and incredibly rewarding. Many gardeners believe root vegetables need vast garden beds, but that's simply not true. Containers offer incredible control over soil conditions, which is crucial for these underground treasures. You can protect your plants from common garden pests and diseases more easily. Plus, container gardening means you can grow these delicious veggies almost anywhere. For carrots and beets, depth is key. Aim for containers at least 10 to 12 inches deep to allow for proper root development. Deeper is always better. Width is also important for accommodating multiple plants. Consider grow bags, large pots, or even repurposed buckets with drainage holes. Root vegetables thrive in loose, well-draining soil. Avoid heavy garden soil that can compact and hinder root growth. A good quality potting mix is essential. You can amend it with some compost for added nutrients and perlite or vermiculite for improved drainage and aeration. Once your container is ready, it's time to plant. Sow carrot and beet seeds directly into the soil, about ½ inch deep. Space carrot seeds about 2 to 3 inches apart and beet seeds 3 to 4 inches apart. Cover lightly with soil and gently water. Consistent moisture is vital for root vegetables. The soil should remain evenly damp but never waterlogged. Check the soil moisture daily, especially during warm weather. Containers tend to dry out faster than garden beds, so adjust your watering schedule accordingly. Once your seedlings emerge and are a few inches tall, it's time to thin them. This step is crucial for healthy root development. For carrots, thin to about 2 to 3 inches apart. For beets, thin to 3–4 inches apart. You can often eat the thinnings as tender greens. Carrots are typically ready in 60 to 75 days, depending on the variety. Look for the tops of the roots to emerge slightly from the soil. Beets are usually ready in 50 to 70 days. Harvest them when they reach your desired size, typically 1 to 3 inches in diameter. Growing carrots and beets in containers is a fantastic way to enjoy fresh, homegrown produce. With the right container, soil, and consistent care, you'll be harvesting delicious root vegetables in no time. So grab some seeds, find a sunny spot, and start your container root veggie adventure today. Happy gardening!